If you have a long list of programs, it's very convenient to divide them by type. For example, utilities can go into Utilities folder, and Office applications into Office folder. A serious drawback of this approach, it's necessary to clean up the Start menu after every install. Instead, the Start menu X offers you the solution of virtual groups. Now I'm going to show you how you can convert your real groups into a virtual. Right-click over File list and select Start menu X, Manage virtual groups. Now drag and drop the group onto Add Group button. Confirm. Repeat this for every real group that you have. Please note that you can't undo this operation, so please make a backup if it's necessary. The Group Manager automatically converts the folder into virtual groups. Now you can close the Group Manager and enjoy Start menu with virtual groups. When you move cursor over the virtual group, you can see content of this group. If you click over this group, you can unfold content of this virtual group. This is why using the virtual group is very convenient compared to any other approach. Thank you very much for your attention.